Hey there, Mark Connors again with Bluewater Yacht Sales on the 41 regulator, the Norfolk Boat Show. You know, a lot of people wonder about the Seakeeper and how it might operate. It's very simple. I'll demonstrate how to turn the unit on, because a lot of people wonder how this thing works. Let me show you. Basically, you have the Seakeeper screen here. So I've got the power turned on, the DC power, which illuminates the screen. And there's another breaker at the main AC breaker panel, which turns on the unit itself. And I have one last power button right here, this button here. So to turn the unit on, all I have to do is push it on. And if you notice this bar here, it takes a while, sometimes 15, maybe 20 minutes even, for the Seakeeper gyroscope, you can see it spinning here, to spool up. It gets to 20,000 plus RPM, so it takes a little time. If you notice the red line starting to show on the very far left, it's going to take some time for it to go all the way over to the right, but I will resume this video once it gets there and I'll show you how to activate the Seakeeper. See you in a few minutes. Okay, so now a few minutes later, we've let the Seakeeper spool up. If you remember, the line was red and it was started all the way here. Now it is stretched over, it was still red until it got to about where it is now, and it turned green. Once the bar has turned green, I can now activate the Seakeeper. It's currently locked. If you look here, there's a little red lock. To turn it on to what's actually doing its purpose, I hit this button. And you see on the screen the gyroscope moving. So right now, if we were in open water, the Seakeeper would prevent the boat from rocking back and forth. All right, to review, the unit is on. It is spinning. It's spooled up, but it is not in active mode. The red lock is on. Again, to put it in active mode where it's doing its job, I hit this button, which has the lock, and you see it rocking back and forth. So it is on in an active mode. To turn it back to inactive mode, I just hit the same button a second time, and you see the red lock come on and the gyroscope goes to still. Now to turn it off at the end of the day, basically, all I have to do is hit this power button. And it's off. Thank you.